Yo, what's up guys, I'm Paul the Tech Giant. Now today Sony has just released a new update for the PlayStation 5 and we're going to take a quick look at it now. So what we've got to do is go to settings, then down to system, then to system software update and settings, update system software and update using internet. Once we've done that, we can have a look at the details. As we can see, we've got the version number there, and this system software update improves system performance. So let's just see. Cracking on then with the update. Right, that's the update complete then, and I can confirm that the performance has been improved. So I took it for a spin around the block and it shaved off a whole 1 second from the 0 to 60 time. But more importantly, it can now lift an extra 10 kilos, which is 10 kilos more than your average PC gamer. Well, there you go. Thanks very much for joining me today and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.